We're very impressed with the high quality traffic that we had at the show this year. People were very interested in the new products that just came out in the last 12, 18 months, and especially the soil stabilizer that is sitting behind me right now. That is a great product that's going to take the market by storm. It's great for commercial and smaller applications as well, for soil stabilizations and soil stabilizer mixing. For the very first time at the trade show, we have introduced the QR code for warranty registration, and our goal was to raise awareness about the QR code that we just introduced, and it has been very, very successful. This is how easy it is to use the QR code. Let's say I'm a customer that just purchased an FAE machine. Take my phone, scan the QR code. So after it's scanned, you can enter your information and automatically your machine has been registered through FAE, and you can get parts manuals and get the industry-leading warranty. Walking the show, I see nothing but more opportunities for FAE for this specific industry, as we do offer solutions that nobody else is in the position or willing to offer right now. We are very excited about what the future holds for FAE in this industry.